This is a good pose because the standing leg helps to lift the spine, helps to create length in the spine. If you still feel some compression in your lower back, and even if you're not sure, you could try raising your heels. So this is a strategy for people who have herniations, that sort of thing. So if you have narrow discs that are pinching, you elevate your heels up on a blanket. And so for the tall people in the room, if you elevate the heels, then you're probably going to also need to use 2 blocks stacked up so that you actually get a good lift of this knee. Okay? So just play around with that a little bit. It's all about the angles. So with my heel lifted and I pull my top thigh back, I immediately can feel that my whole spine has more height. And if my spine has more height, that means I'm using the connective tissue and the muscle fibers to maintain the length of the spine. So when we have degenerative discs, it's actually not a disease. It's actually wear and tear. It's driving your car on tires that don't have enough air in them, and it starts to affect the frame, right? So when you get back and you find that vitality in your spine and you get that lift, so the fibers of the body start to support the spine completely, it will give you some relief. So hold on to the knee, inhale, make your sound, psst, turn from the belly, check to see if your hips are level with each other, and turn. And remember, the twist comes from the spine, the pelvis, the spine, not the head. And then exhale, release, unwind. And take your blanket to the other side. So again, standing with your heels elevated, toes just underneath the seat of the chair, and picking up that left foot, putting it up nice and high. And then you can see in the video, I'm letting my knee hyperextend back and my thigh go forward. Undo that. Bring the top of the shin forward, inner knee slightly forward, top thigh back, root the heel down, find the bottom of your belly, take a deep inhale, use your sound to pull in and lift, and then twist. Level your hips as best you can. Keep this knee steady in the front, shoulders down. And then inhale and exhale, release, and out you come. Very good.